And now let's talk about the private access modifier. Private access modifier is we use to hide the details of a particular methods or a particular variable, specifically the instance variable and the methods. In this way, we can achieve the encapsulation. For example, here we know that the person name, age, gender, and occupations are the sensitive information that we didn't want to reveal to other classes. So what you can do, you can make it private. Once you make it private by using the private access modifier, by adding a private keyword like here, you will see the differences here. Now you can see when I move to the test class here, in a test class, you will see whenever I try to use the dot operator with the name, age, gender, and occupation, you can check it out here, it will give me an error. Why? Because now it will say that change the visibility of the name to package, or you can change the visibility to the public. So this is how you can hide the details. Now how you can access these methods. So once you hide the detail, once you hide the identities of a particular class, what you can do in that case scenario, my friend, you can access these classes variables by using the classes methods, that particular class method. So the private methods, okay, if I make this also private, what will happen, my friend? This is also not going to be accessible. See, if I try to use p dot add occupation, is not available. Why? Because it is now private within this particular class. So who can access private? Private can only be accessible within the class. For example, suppose if I'm going to use one more method, let's say void my occupation here, and from here you can access the add occupation method. So whatever the occupation that you want to give, software engineer. So this is how you can access the private. Private means private to the other classes other than the current class, and it is going to be public to the current class. The current class is person over here. So how we can access these method? Okay, sorry, the access this variable, because variables, instance variables should always be private. Okay, so that it cannot be used by different classes. So how we can access it, I will tell you in the next lesson. Okay, this will be continued in the next lesson. Thanks for watching it.